Hey there friends, we're at the top of one of the mountain ranges here in Sapa. Beautiful view out there. I'm here with the bro Zack. How you doing, bro?
Hey, what's up guys? Oh, awesome man. We're about 1,700 meters above sea level and just look at the view.
Beautiful
Simply
view.
Amazing.
What do you think about it, bro?
Oh, I think it looks very nice, man. And look, it looks like I stepped into a screensaver, you know? Got nice mountains, clouds, and the scenery is just fantastic. So if you ever come to Sapa, guys, you know, check this vlog out and come to these places because, I mean, it's great.
We've stopped here at the side of the road, just near these beautiful rice paddies. And look at the mountain ranges and the valley there. So huge, beautiful. And all the rice paddies that go up here as well, up into these mountain ranges. And I'm just looking now at some of the water irrigation that they've got set up here. So it looks like that water is coming from the mountains, from springs and stuff. And then it comes through all these rice paddocks and then filters out through here. This is like a bamboo pipe, and the bamboo pipe then just irrigates all the way down and fills up some of the other rice fields down there in the valley. Look at all the mist out there. This area is quite beautiful, and it's actually a lot warmer here. We've been up in the mountains and we've come down all the way down through the mountains, and it's been really cold up there. It's been pretty cold, eh, Zack?
Yeah, it's been freezing, man, but over here it's pretty okay.
You can see all the water actually irrigating through here, guys. Through all these rice paddies. And apparently around October they do all the harvests of all the rice. So it actually looked quite amazing. Beautiful. A lot of work, man. But this is their job, you know, and they bag all the rice and then send it out, export it out, and that's how they make their money. Beautiful vibes, guys. Look at that down here. The bro. Look at those vibes. All the rice paddies. It's kind of an overcast day today as well, guys, because of the had a bit of rain this morning. Hey, check this out. A couple of little chickies. A couple of little chickies right there. Look at all the rice fields. Extending right up there into the mountains. And you got some of them planting new rice here. Some of the local boys. Hello!
Okay.
Hello! Some of the locals. Gotta have fun. Say a hello to them. Local shop. Alright, bro?
Buy it here?
Oh look, they got an energy drink there if you want, Red Bull.
No one here.
Hello! Petrol here too, bro, if you need.
Right?
Petrol right here as well.
Oh, smart guys. I don't think they're here, man.
Just beep the horn. Oh yeah, the guy's just here.
Who?
There's a guy just here.
How do you say water?
Nuke.
What?
Nuke. Yeah, nuke. Like New York, but faster.
Go ahead.
Oh, he has right there, but I think you're not wearing a mask.
Oh.
We'll go around. Keep going.
Yeah, fuck them, you motherfucker.
Yeah.
No money.
Hey, I recorded that.
It's good. Stay cool.
That's the thing, man. If you haven't got a mask on, even though we put it on because of the dust here, but if they see you haven't got a mask, they get quite CV phobic, you know, very CV phobic and hysterical. Oh, look at those. Got 10 little chickies there. They'll be in someone's pot one day. Buffalo. That's a beautiful view. What do you think, bro?
Oh, absolutely amazing, guys. Look at this. You're on the top. Look at the road that's going down.
So we're gonna go down here. It's beautiful, man.
Bit steep, man. Bit steep.
Yeah, really steep.
Look,
really
it's light,
steep.
nature.
You can see some of the ethnic minority houses right down there. Major beautiful, guys. Majorly beautiful. Really nice valley vibes right there, guys. We're going to drive down that road down here. Come to a covert stop. We just scan these here.
This.
Or write down your information here, but we have an app that just scans our declaration. And the bro's broken his mask, so he wants a spare mask. But they've blocked off the road, so you can't pass unless you scan your app. Then you can carry through. So basically you do your health declaration, which just tells the government that you haven't been infected, your health is okay. You scan it here, and then it's all good to go to the next stage. Couple of goats. Little baby goat and mummy goat. Man, they're just throwing down those massive logs, man. Some of the debris hit my bike. Alright, we're heading, looks like through another valley, another gully, or a pass. They call it like a pass. Guys, check out the horses. Horses just eating alongside the road here. Some more over here. I think they're wild horses. Little foals over here. Hello, foal. Look at these little cute foals. Reminds me of the horses on Heartland Farm. They're eating the bamboo shoots. We're in like a bamboo forest here. Little town. To the river. River vibes. Huh? What? Oh, those poles? Yeah. Yeah, the poles. Yeah. The poles are holding it up.
poles are holding it up, and literally, and there's just like little plates on the top, and they're moving. If you they make you fall down, and then man. Oh, that's like huge. It's probably this new one.
Yeah, maybe a new bridge. That bridge we just came over was pretty suspect. The real rural village life. Okay. Alright guys, we stopped here where there's some kids. We're going to give them some candy. Candy! All the village kids.
Yeah, okay.
You share.
Hello. Hello. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Check out these terraces, guys. Beautiful. Looking out towards those mountain ranges. This is Sàng Ma Sáo, guys. Sàng Ma Sáo. Beautiful area. What do you reckon, bro?
Oh, look at this. Absolutely fantastic, isn't it, guys? We've been traveling for about 3 hours and going through all these villages, and we keep seeing these beautiful rice terraces.
Beautiful. And in the background there, guys, is China. Those mountains in the back there. So we're right next to the China border.